ladies and gentlemen, even when now they listen to in a radio land, this the National Commission for Democracy, they come to now with a democracy roundtable discussion forum. We all know, say, as a nation, they operate under what you call a democracy. If you look at the Constitution itself, Section 5, it tells you, say, they found this nation on democracy. And so, it's always good for make, from time to time, people come together and try for talk about democracy in what you call education in democracy. And we always know this one, say, most of the time, when they say democracy, all man gets your meaning. All man sabi what democracy mean from your own perspective. But of course, we get expert opinion or knowledge on democracy. Today, we go get opportunity together in this room and una self where they out here on a radio land for make we know what's in a democracy from the view of the expert. And we self, with time, we're going to tell each other and the rest of the nation what we say about democracy. But for that expert opinion, in terms of what in democracy mean, we don't call somebody from the Citadel of Learning, where in Afobe College, and the day at the Political Science Department. A day or so with we today, for make it can give you expert opinion on what's in a democracy, so that it will form the basis for the discussion, the focus group discussion, we go follow afterwards. And I want to just give you this short back and for make we don't say, what we do so today, now a continuation of waiting we start September 15 this year, where na International Day of Democracy, where the world UN means say, whether they reach all the nations and within inside UN and for reflect on who said in democracy day. And today we say we for continue with that. And we say we own theme. Locally, we say, let we talk about democracy. But internationally, they say democracy don't come under strain. Make we look for solutions. Even as we know, say, the world, they keep for change. But talk and go, talk and come. All man get waiting in view. But one for start first with the expert opinion. I want for make we welcome. We experts, we go can talk to we for some time. I want for me to listen, take notes, and prepare for ask questions. In name na Dr. Charles Silva. I want for me to clap as welcome Dr. Charles Silva for giving a 25-minute talk on the basics of democracy.
When I get this call concerning this particular discussion, it just coincides with one question where I don't ask 2 years now. And even this past time I ask her as a question, examination question. It will not go so good for me and put but will good for me. And the question I can always ask like this, I say, Sierra Leone's democracy, is it deepening or eroding? That question I can ask, and 2 years now, I can go for 25 marks. Because I can also want to forget students in their position. So that just coincide. So even this talk I get for talk, that get for me the thing. By the time we left now, individually, collectively, even with organizations, they will be able for really determine whether with democracy is the deep. And we will say something the deep, that means it's the group, it's the wide, it's the big. Then when we say it's the erode, where the geography people that can talk, where they wash away. Meaning if with democracy they erode. I go on for 6 years on 10, if I've been asked that question, even the one within an engineer way, you know, they do political science on 10, they forget 25 over 25. Some of my students then feel that question. I see some of them, they take the political gown, they left the academic gown. Making tell them, I say, let me left the academic. When you come inside class, if you left your political gown at the doorstep, then you take the academic gown because we don't know to analyze. So now from that point of view, I want for them to look at the democracy. I'm not going to go back into then traditional definitions, the way they say government of the people, for the people, and by the people. I think that's not a problem back as well. But they give a very simplistic and narrow definition of concepts then to the point that they ignore the other things then. So they can be say people always they use definition of democracy for men to suit their own convenience at a particular point in time. When they slap and democratic right for going to court, but when they slap people, they know to their own democratic right and a lot of things. Many a time we can say freedom of the press. Me can always say it's not about freedom of the press. That freedom of the press, that's not the theoretical aspect. The practical aspect of freedom of the press. Because if you say the man free, where they go, they're gonna press, where they write the journalist free, then we write it for be free. Freedom of association, that means the man get right for go to any organization, be it political party or what have you, but we don't see examples, and we all know people can sometimes get problem because of the association, not only along political line, but even because of the party. So now them things and they think kind of mind. So for today, I really want for Lord to change this debate more. Let me ask you, why this whole thing about democracy? Family, they may get this straight. Since creation, from where God made man in the world, the first man from Adam and Eve, the eternity today, the major responsibility we will get now for arrange with society in such a manner that problems then go there, we will get with competition then, but we will not go first. And when we fail, the state will collapse. That's in the way they encourage state. Perhaps now one thing down there also have one for them to consider when we talk about democracy. Democracy is about the state, it's not about government. Government are just an agent. Just like when you get picking in a house, you get your nanny, you take food, chop, you get and you left everything. Hoping that when you left farm, you will cook, you will shave and to the people then we have independence. Then that's not the relationship we get with government. Government not get money. People can say government money. Government not get money. That's real money. Now the state get money. So many a time, because we're not able to draw that line, or even when we can draw, some of you will know, but when you come to brass tacks, we can ignore. Perhaps now that's the problem also we face. Because when it comes to Sierra Leone business, the emotional attachment you get for Sierra Leone are not going to shape and be any political party. We get right for be divided along political party lines, and so democracy say, because otherwise democracy say will be boring. You enjoy success because somebody failed. You enjoy your wealth because somebody is poor. Some people feel say they're fine because we do war. So at every point in time, you always compare with the top. If you say that person is a smart man, now you know who are not a smart man. But many a time we can narrow, we really get for draw the line between that thing where they call country or state and the government. What thing will they do? The obligation will get to the state. Now that means we for pledge your allegiance to any government, irrespective of whether that government is there for or not. Because that government they now the cook. Now you get the key to the kitchen. Just like when you get a very fine cook or an in house, you will provide everything at the house. They can say you came there when you can, you go meet all man done it. But if that in any day is not a very good cook, if that in any day not a person will caring, sometimes you go can cook fine food, the beginning will be angry, the family will all they do with you. Now that night the will go with government. We will do election, we take all the resources, you end on Israel. This money at the area and say China and save some money, they will say I don't forget $40 million. That money they go to government. The one when they do governance now, then they keep up on people on behalf, not to give them, they give the people Australia. But they just can't take on, they say maybe Australians they can't take on, otherwise the first will be. Right now, this area will scatter, even the moderation I have 9 force on time with the client that will not go even with police. Now that make them arrangement and this. So I just want to form the basis, let's get that straight. So democracy is just an organization. Slavery is not the organization. The one that will be support slavery as a system of government. Slavery is the one who government, people their argument was that they always some man them stupid. Some man them they were weak in decision making. If you let them to themselves, they will destroy their life and they will even destroy society. Now so they take for justify slavery. They say some people they are for taking. Now they see some semblance of that. Now that means say now from this side say all this corruption and business can. Charles, if you don't become so bearing among people that you don't be a threat to people. You write still, but for once they enjoy you right, go sit down for saying and Panema. So if you do 1 year or 2 years, wake up, you go so bad, then you will be saved with people. And then anything. So even in this democracy business, democracy, the whole thing about democracy now consent. When I go forgive me, but people like them, Thomas Hobbes, they don't talk about their own. I will say, this fellow, you don't even help me, just you don't know. John Locke self-talk water. But why make Thomas Hobbes? Mind you, don't not forget. Most of the time, we walk and read. When they read anything, the author, when the writer, they say that your own biography or the biography of in time. That is to say, even with newspapers and now, what did they obtain as Sierra Leone now with the write books? There was a time when they write about war. 10 years down the line, newspapers, dissertations, but war. We don't come out, we don't come, sometimes we go with the rightful agenda for change, we don't come out with the rightful agenda for prosperity. Now, you look at new direction, 9 nowadays at the radar, not so. So now what thing they happen in our society now with the report. So that also they tell with democracy we that right. So we have to be very mindful as to what thing with the right and what thing with the say and what thing with the do because they go at the wider world. So like I say, this democracy how they talk about today, not to think for saying yesterday start, they don't start too long. Where people then sit on England and want to be the fed. What thing this man Thomas up is say, you know what thing, this guy who don't see that this country, now this operation business that they need to all this. So what we do? Anybody now who elect as we leader, no take and say that person enough for the answering to anybody. Nobody know for compete with them because according to when you watch the situation, they think and say now that we made that first day going in England. That's civil war. So now make LTT will get the monarchy day. Although yes, improvement don't come now, then say Prime Minister go there, but the monarchy up to this moment, you know the answer for who question. The Queen of England know the answer for who question. Even the national anthem, they say God bless the Queen. So they don't go through that stage. But then say don't can sit down, they don't go be because the world they advance, people their life they change. So that they don't can don't forget about Abraham Lincoln, it's the government of the people for the people and by the people. Now and now they go that side, they don't go. So we don't come up to this point here. So what you have been done, they try to do now, we will ask yourself a few questions. I come back to say this will democracy what you see. Is it deep or is it a road? If it is deep, that means how we go for measure. Because at that again, perhaps we went from how is the measure of democracy? Democracy, many a time people then can always they count you can always use it that way. But democracy, that's the way they measure. And when they measure a good Muslim, you get the values of Islam. When they measure a good, when you want to determine whether a very good Christian, Christianity is again values. Now that values, I know the right and I say mean a Christian or the other person right say mean a Muslim. Now you action. If you feel say this person owe you money, you never go for pay, you get outside the group. So all these structures then now for democracy, they at work. Democracy now is very, very challenging business. I can tell people that if you really respect the values of democracy, you decide for go by even 50%. Need not even go sleep in a church. Because the only difference between the two, now we that one day you know they ask for who question, but we now who they can't ask question this now. But if they really say well you respect people their human rights, you know we even they think of who the person let alone you kill her or then think them. You know we even think of arbitrarily, you know. Dismissing somebody from a job because that is also next to killing. You really know what are the consequences of joblessness. I know they say they're not for sack people, you're not for sack policy, but rules the way they govern. Democracy is a rule the way they govern every of action. Democracy is spread all over. So the institutions they are willing to create, me they take and say if we really want to measure with democracy, now the institution I would forsake. The institutions then are then we forsake. All the institutions will run me. Let's not forget. Don't forget, say, that time to a day who been go 1996, where that transition complete now, we go with first election, then I'll be married no more. Just like if you want to know, when I go and exchange ring. Then say, do this now. For that one, I really keep that relationship there. They left over, not as well. For marriage, if you see people, then they can't take Boku, whether they give money. Right now, when we call friend, they marry, they don't tell and say they buying goods. Now that money they are defending now. But when they don't marry anywhere, for me they marry this week, make the relationship strong, make their relationship they go maintain, I depend on too. So we said that we don't can't have democracy, even during the past election, as recent as the last election. But people they don't go back in the country. Some of them they don't go come again until 2023. So now we therefore keep that marriage. The question is, will they go by the rules of that relationship? That means the democratic marriage go inside. When they define the rules, will they go by and when I not forget that question, the whole can. What's in the situation of the rule of law? If we forscore we said along that line, over 100, how much will we said? We will. If they say now genuinely, you put all other things aside and say, you're not the person where they can't get a score to Australia in terms of democracy, but this time the rule of law. We say we all equal before the law. You be minister, be president too, be poor man, the other person be this, that too. All man clear before the law, all man equal before the law. What will be we said? When I not tell, we will tell down the go the company discussion. We come to freedom of association, like we have been saying, another democratic value. Which one will they practice? Freedom of association or freedom after association? We are going to tell you which one really we need. Now, freedom of association, we just in the law books of freedom after association. Or we say freedom of the press. Now, that one, we inside the law book, we say freedom of the press, or we really feel safe for that we fulfill that particular democratic commitment with for the emphasis for B, freedom after press. Because then the practical aspect. They just stand there, okay, then at the church, then they preach sermon, the sermon can go, then they bring free sermon. That sermon, the way they preach to the way you come on now too. You don't come on now, you then at the field. So where would they at the field, where would they relate? Not only during electioneering time, but at any time where would they? If you feel say you're a person who believe in democracy, you then have field. How you they relate with people? That Okada rider, how you therefore relate with her? That poor man, even you messenger, who would then call her, how would they relate with students? You minister, how you they relate? These are the things who get for me. So now that's make people then come with this agreement here. And one reason why make democracy the whole world they cherish it. People then they pay them money. Organizations then they pay them money. Lest I forget, that money they will they get. Then they bring account for when people they don't tax you. Not to up them pull and people they don't tax. Then they help you because we are the same family. Just like when they are family, you don't succeed, you don't accomplish, you okay, then you get your brother within that same family, or you see another family member or members in the struggle, you say, no, go, I'm not going to say, don't look this man, we all come on at the same goal, we get the same background. This my brother, and that also will help. Where they be, and they help you for like bill, and so that you know bring shame to your family. So with the countries there, other countries there, organizations, they help young democracies, countries with low economies, like Sierra Leone, they help with because they don't allow shame, because with shame, that shame will reach them. I don't think say we always don't have any one of people want for see with brother, with sister, or with loved one, or even a close friend the shame. So that make them get for do. We say get for do with your part. So then we can be that whole day for you, but if you not put modalities in place or keep that whole day, it will collapse. So with democracy, we have to put something under and follow where we really be. I don't definitely decide say me I don't want to say whether we will grow or not. I mean, in our whole campaign discussions, people will ask questions. But that is it where we are. So we get for ask yourself certain questions. With the human rights aspect, we don't able for democratize the institutions then. Let's not forget say 20 years of almost 20 years of authoritarian rule or one party rule. Today we get some people then, particularly the older generation, they not recover fully from that and over it. They just stand away person they drink all night. Either do clean service, you wash your mouth with paste, you rub, you spray. Believe me, that time I'm going to pay you. So it still depends on some of in this country. When I'm not to fault, when you stay too long even in poverty, believe me, everywhere you don't get it, you can forget saying that you get the money in a bank. Now the same thing. People will don't say, as a nation, we all don't say with plenty that day. So, but I know they try for provide justification. So the challenge great. Now make them the pamper we. Other institutions, other countries, even institutions, they pamper we because they know say when our people they will get problem. And that problem not what we make it, and again that we make it. Now we try for address. So this whole arrangement of democracy, now that is the same, and make them give them benchmarks there. So when they measure democracy in any country, now then benchmarks and way to use. Now they use now UNDP and all other international organizations who get interest from governance business. Then they use their yardstick there. Don't they go yes, in terms of peace, not to win the number 2 bar or number 3 in the war. So they measure we. They get what they look for, how they manage. Peace is not just about the absence of war. But peace is that kind of thing. But when they talk about that peace, they after when we don't score that almost 80% out with election, I think say we get for deduct on 15-20%. So it's inside the challenge. Democracy they pose the challenge. And that challenge then the whole nations that they face. Almost all the problems that we face now as a country is really on the America and every side. What's the difference then are the institutions that's strong? Now the institution is strong. When democracy, for me democracy survive in any country, now the institutions. People can come and go. And I have been so happy former president of America when they address the Ghanaian president, the Ghanaian parliament. He said, well, you know, he said Africans, they want to not really need strong men and women. He said you need strong institutions. If you say the institution is being driven, now a plus. Now a big plus, now a double plus, in fact, where you get a strong institution, then you get strong men and women where they really help their institution. But if you say where you get a strong institution, you find because now the institution they propagate the culture. So among them, some of the habits they will make now, some of the ways and what they approach even with institutions. Now if you go to other countries, then you need to, because nobody really encourage yourself. Me and Addis Ababa, one with fellow, with brother and I, they work now AU now. That man they say at some point there was some scarcity for less than 8 hours. This salon business where they found when I asked one in friend who said I go get petrol. He said that man almost they don't have gone, they laugh. So to the man unbelievable, they can thinking not they this not to Europe, not to America, and another African country. They don't pass that stage. For say you go really think say we petrol not this over here for go pump and a corner. So you see that so many of the time now that negative uniformity, how it man can call an eye. If we want to ask me say well out this thing and everybody say brother too well out after you one like but when somebody begin about what's the problem? You don't begin Christian. Instead of saying that thing they go begin draw you about the police. In case they hold you and then stop them. So now then thing they have for the pay attention to now. Now they culture for the past on for picking them because I mean I can say some of where they are this. Somebody write to somebody be made me where you say anybody who don't pass 50 years now, you're not old mother, you not get spare part again. You see, so I'm saying not get spare part, but let's pass the culture of democracy into younger generation. So that we will get Israel in the near future, where all them things about they talk about will not remember them. Because the people they know they like the psyche. But I'm sorry to say this, but some of who even practice with beginning corruption. Because they really they corrupt, they say. So at the end of the day, you teach that beginning for make him see corruption as a virtue. Say, that guy is smart. Within this short time, yeah, you don't be who's outside. You know, I don't think saying identity in democracy now a very challenging on to for pay price for. Because now one of the best arrangements of women, it is an arrangement, ladies and gentlemen. And that arrangement they then say it for upkeep society. Democracy, they even they say resources within a society for all man. Now that make I can like this more at the pray government was strengthening the incumbent presidents now that given heart. I can see even way they talking about China, even way they between our colleagues, so they always they emphasize that. I only hope say that he will consolidate that, then he will also instill similar idea. Because to be very sincere, once if you want to enjoy leadership, not only will you deliver. This whole thing, whether they talk about inside this with democracy, they say government of national unity, this, that, political exclusion. Me, if you want to exclude me politically, deliver the goods to everybody. Socio-economic imbalance, now for work against. Now that the Chinese then they pay for. If Ghana they grow to then at that. Now we get a situation in this country where everybody, I repeat, everybody go feel say if I make effort, I will realize them. I know they say not to that they happen, but I want to say no moment that become the vote. That is the only way we will motivate younger ones, we will motivate yourself for work hard. Let we make sure, see, that woman within a market, if you get a very good market environment, sanitation day, all the facilities that you don't get for us go to anybody, believe me, no one will tell you a state house or this ministry. If the university will start with it, if the library they on, if they on, internet day 48 hours, anything you want to do there. You can wear your hands until you go there before 12 hours, whether there is somebody buy skyscraper, you know, big skyscraper, you know what I mean. But as long as you get people around you, where they know they get to that level, that socio-economic gap, it is everywhere in the world, but not for the too big. Now that means some country, most cities in the UK, they can even provide free city bus so that everybody can move. So then country, they, whether you buy limousine, whether you go buy Hummer or helicopter, say nobody know they watch you because they are vehicles. But remember, who says they call it where they want? Where some people they drive that car, they work out with that car, now they think yourself. So these are the things. Now make Machiavelli talk, and when I excuse me, that thing they will pass to put small theory. They say the strength of every society is based on opposing interests held in equilibrium. There should be socio-economic balance, not necessarily political. America they get they can force for voter apathy. Because change of government, change of party, not get anything for do with the socio-economic well-being. Was and a college, but we talk as Sierra Leoneans. Me anytime I meet everyone have been going to parliament and this say democracy, they will tell the parliamentarians that this they not take on with not to imaginary discussion. This is not the reality we all see. We all inside this place here we see. Not to about blame. If you sick, you go to a hospital, you tell the doctor say that you hate the heart. And they give you that medicine, but this is not you better. You go still go with the better heart. So we really got to accept those realities, then we make effort. No effort. Because temptation is sweet. Anything way undemocratic is tempting. Really, take that government money. That money they will get for people they help. So until you get that thing there, you put because we talk about accountability and transparency, when are one of the key elements of democracy. For me, that thing they go, we all sit on there, we in the majority. The police then represent less than 5%. I correct that? They reach 5% of the population. Pass all the security against them, including the executive, parliament, you put them all together, they don't account for up to 10% or even 5%. So that 95 or that 97 will be left now, we win at the ordinary people. So now we get for support institutions. Now we get for support the police. Now we get for support parliament. Now we get for support ministers. Now we get for support all institutions, learning institutions. Even the free primary and quality education, we are the flagship project for this country now. Because any project of the country, of the president, not to get an honor, we are national. So the down there, we also get for possessor, we get for take ownership of down there as a country. The question I will ask, will we really take ownership of the free healthcare? I don't need answer now. How we take down there, say, we will not forget. Because we don't did a situation before me, a woman, now UK, he take a man at police, he said because they get a joint account, you don't see money at the account where you don't know the source. That woman not be in the accent, he not like Imam. It just shows he left in country past Imam. But we dey celebrate thieves. We dey cover we say. Me know they say tomorrow in the home, say I don't see men not pull me. But if we always draw the line, once we do that on the resources. Perhaps time don't need draw, I don't not forget say this democracy now very expensive enterprise. For where we get with police, for men they really perform the actual functions of the police. They need resources. Scotland Yard police, the American police, they not necessarily mean say they train past with police and how they train past with soldiers and how. Or with medical doctors, then they want the way they how they train on that. Or then universities, then the lecturer they get science pass with, but they get facilities we will not get. We get people in this country we don't train at flight lieutenant, that means they for the flight plane and war plane. But we don't get so who's the plane. Some countries the police they even get helicopter. If we really expect rapid response from the police, for instance, they get the hotline. If you call that hotline, the road network also they contribute to security. I think so when I say knows the road network very, very important for security. Because if you get for reaching out within 5 minutes, right now the traffic collector said, it's not easy now for any policeman reach there within 10 minutes. But you get some country where they get flyovers and they even get helicopter, and we say get the means for that we only get for things say we get a common fit. And democracy can provide. Because democracy they talk about transparency and whatever. I see for people who so one of my friends when a minister they tell me say you don't regret their money they say and they torture. Now they don't begin to close some of their accounts that they now you have to pay at the cost of some people. Machiavelli again, he said, nothing knowing that this world, they are working more than past all things, that way they introduce a new way of doing things. People that are they don't know that they go, when they eat spoon there, and there's something there, and you're not stranger, you go, you wake up, picking they go wash the fan, go give another. Not there and so when this happens, you tell them, believe me, if you not take that, they put check on you, they say not to that be there. So when the previous government came with procurement, anti-corruption commission, and they different all. Now they are talking about centralized or harmonized economy. So they say some ministries that they get in 20-30 account and then stop them. Which I said they don't reach to winner collect. Then say they do the same thing and all the rest of it. Not to all collect down there. Because some now they get for finishing house. Now we don't time to reach. You say, oh, as me they don't permanent secretary, now they say now procurement. Where they mandate, where they with the supply. Now their offices there. Then all the people they went there again. So you see how people they can think. Machiavelli talk and far. They say we want to introduce new things for prepare. Because you get from this resistance from people then, where they benefit from that system with challenge. We get some people they want to survive now a serene and democratic society. They want disorder. And then they are the majority. Then you have to acknowledge that they're everywhere. So when we institutions are strong, I think so we're able to stop down, and then you will die out gradually until we come. So I see the moderator of the watch, but the message I've been trying for really hammer home is this, that the traditional definitions of the democracy will also appear. But let's take the debate far more now. Let's look at democracy from a more practical point of view. This theory, I will not make a man, I'm right. What makes it your right? And what have you done to ensure that that right is equally given? So now that now for me to take and say, we want to measure with democracy, let us not measure no more per one incident. The first year that one person died, this they happen and that man take money. These are consequences, not just the result. Now that make them think say when you follow, not look for the cause of you follow one who say you now who say sleep. For instance, if we hear certain things then and all the rest of it they happen, meaning it is a challenge to our institutions. Now our institutions are not so strong yet for take care of the situations in there. Why make China? And then China made the most populated country in the whole world. They got their own problem though, but the institutions are so strong, they're able to take care of them whatever. We go under for even change dollar, this almighty dollar. Where we say that this will come to a problem. We did it with 8 very senior people where we vice chancellor, they all professor, they all will never change that dollar. What will be good for the Israeli students where they did it? Now two of them can visit we, then your money, because this thing they call credit card, then your credit card na full. Who side the money they so now then get for giving money, we give them the dollar. That they tell you how strong it is, not so. You got to pay a very serious price. But here we see they see very close to Bank of Sierra Leone. Very close to Bank of Sierra Leone, people they exchange dollar. Whereas it's not too easy for doing things in other parts of the world. Yeah. So okay, this one. So we have to take all of these into consideration. What would they measure with democracy? They don't reach to a point where they measure and make we use the benchmarks there. We take human right. What if we don't score in that area? What if make we not score big mark? What if we don't score freedom of press? What if we don't score on rule of law? What if we don't score on transparency and accountability? Like transparency and accountability, where people then they talk no more. Now that make we get the ACC. Even the judges they also get for the idea for accountability because because of accountability make it a go jail. You have to take responsibility for killing another person so that the message will go. How long we don't succeed in all of those areas? Perhaps even we say at the university. How long we don't what thing we don't do for democratize the university? Because democratization is a process. And we get for democratize with democracy. Democracy is an ideology. Where anybody can make, go be there at college, when it's when they say Ramadan time, we can get people there, they some lecturer the way they feed the Muslim students there. Some of them go to a Muslim. We just go to mosque, then we eat. But the one that will be the actual Muslims, then they still did it because they believe in the values, they don't already accept the culture. So democracy is a culture. All these way NCD they do, other institutions they do, civil society organizations and the international community now for all get a culture of democracy. Because once we get a culture of democracy, that is to say we allow democracy for government life, or democracy become the only sheriff in town as Sierra Leone, definitely we will develop as a country. Then resources then we can spend and then blah blah blah. Then even the war was an outcome of democratic failure. Because when democracy fails, the institutions that they fail, they will not be able to spend money. We all see how Ebola can expose you, not so. I do one article from Ebola and that be me strong argument. I say Ebola expose you as a country. They just tell the way they have my mind that they didn't go. When you became sick, now that's how they expose you. Because I think that that's the way they expose the family. So as Sierra Leoneans, we all get for big sure say the democracy now we don't marry with democracy. The one that way they can't make the marriage for we, they don't support we small, they don't go. Now we get for upkeep that marriage so that the marriage not go break. And the only way for uphold the marriage, now we will respect democracy. And because we respect democracy, we get for respect and support democratic institutions. Not to blind support with the guild or when they do bad, you will say no, Mr. NCD or this person, this way you don't do, you know, find a democratic society. So that when I go debate and then the message will go on. We get for a well-playing game, no what you can say, we get a common fate. Whether person you get money, say you full of all this you building, when you step out of Sierra Leone, the status of the nation, how you go out with. So on that note, Mr. Moderator, I will say, I think say I will relax more. We will go now open the question and answer. Sometimes then we'll ask questions. And because people always ask questions when they get answer. Thank you for listening.
The expert, Dr. Charles Silva, will come up from the Political Science Department for the college. They don't say fine things about democracy. But of course, the presentation, it anchor on a question. The democracy in Sierra Leone, really they push and go deep, or it don't begin scatter in the road. Now then it take time for talk on, step by step, and make we understand, say, for make we measure democracy, for look at certain values. Among them, he mentioned respect for human rights and even the freedoms they will for enjoy. He even talk about rule of law. He talk about transparency and accountability. But one thing we say, he say bottom line, every time we talk about democracy, it relates to socio-economic, that gap there for close the gap. In other words, we'll talk and go talk and come, bread and butter then at the table. Now this democracy, if the institutions working, and he said something very, very strong. He said democracy very expensive. And means say we all citizens of this country will get for invest we all into her. And I make you talk about that we'll call say eventually we forget what to call democratic culture. In other words, if we will lifestyle for say now so will they live. And he mentioned other countries them how they don't do their own make things they happen. We mean say we say self for look at them and say this thing it can only work who all ready for embrace them. We want for thank you to Dr. Silva. The discussion they continue. I just want to remind Fambul within a radio land for say we day on Democracy Roundtable Discussion Forum and at the National Commission for Democracy now put them together. Right now we day in the conference room of the Ministry of Information and Communication. We there with a different group of people there. Inside this all right now we get of course representative from the ministry, for the Ministry of Information and Communication. We also get representative from the Ministry of Public and Political Affairs. We get representative from ONS. And of course for ONS, one of them big director they represent them in the person of Mr. Lango Bakali. We also get somebody from NMDHR, the Network Movement for Democracy and Human Rights, and at the boss SF they represent them, in name na Abib Karim. We also get somebody from Campaign for Good Governance. We get from 50-50. We also get also somebody from the Godrich Street family, and we also get somebody from Above the Line. And of course, the person we don't talk to as experts, he come up from the academic community for Abbey College. And we also get traders from Abacha Street. Then, of course, Radio for Democracy, and they make it where you say you do so with the out yonder, a true Radio Democracy. I also get somebody from the press, Parliamentary Press Gallery, and also AYV then also. Of course, we host this program. We are the National Commission for Democracy. Inside the room, I get the Commissioner for the Western Region. He named Commissioner Benjamin McFall. And I also get now the high table, the man where they act as the chairman of the commission right now, in a commissioner by John Conte. And of course we also get other staff of the commission, then self they inside the room right now, even as we talk. Well, we want for take time, even as we read Dr. Silva, the things that we say before we begin talk, before we begin Rakpala in terms of the what we call focus group discussion. Probably we'll get some burning questions they want to make Dr. Silva respond to quickly. We want for just take time for take 3 questions for now. And as the discussion, probably as discussion they go on, we will see what to go accommodate the more. But for now, we make room for 3 solid questions. You go announce your name and institution where you come up from, even as we push this program go before.
Yeah, Doctor, we want to know the difference really between modern day democracy and democracy we be not inherit now we country or as Africa. That democracy they want to really understand with how they did, because democracy we don't need before we talk about the modern day democracy. That's one of the things. And how the law business they come in for let democracy really work now with country or Africa.
The question to the lecturer is, I want for make it able make her understand how democracy will able strive properly when we are able for completely decentralize the governance system. Because in my opinion, I feel say one factor when the militate against with democracy and with decentralization.
I'm so glad for asking this question, being that we set the stage before the actual focus group discussions. I want to let Dr. Silva help with understand further the statement where always with the say inside democracy, one size not defeat all sides. And democracy get different shades. Various people practice various forms of democracy. And we understand that in our own culture, now bring democracy country. We not think say the problem now that because we not get a template of democracy for study for understand, now that make we get problem with democracy. We are helping to understand that one little.
The democracy we practice, is it that if we know like copy exactly from other democracies in the world, with democracy no correct, or we really need to look at the culture, we look at the situation and decide or try to design beyond democracy so that we can move at least, move on so that we don't get problem with the democracy. Especially the way most of the democracy we just copy things from other countries, and most of the things not giving fit with democracy or with culture of the country.
You just can't inside my own court. Because I didn't think they are in the talk about. Somebody they talk about this your own culture. That is to say, if I get you right, the last person who asked the question, they are from NCD. The question we asked is, say, if voting will be how will be did before democracy. This question we asked is very, very, very important. Now that rule they were supposed for the rules was Moscow. Now that rule they play for them all the East Asian countries then. Now that's in the then. Where the democracy come. Now a long story. At first we will talk about what somebody did say yesterday and holding this democracy or whatever. But once again, perhaps voting at the respite we can get. Then America, the way you see the England, that democracy they are not doing for the past 200 years. Now then 18 something they didn't start. That's when I can ask people who's will be. That's not a justification for let who's will be. But now that no for say democracy don't do. America they don't start their democracy some 200 years ago. Be the Obama there, be the George Bush and they're born inside in that society. So no, they're not the visit on the member. And this man, the way we don't come for we may get another 15 years, more get another 5 years. Nobody remember that they will say don't increase. So now that I want to know. So what he had for answer to that question, this issue about culture is very, very important for what if it happened to African countries. And Sierra Leone, we don't know the worst. It's different from what happened in Asia, for instance. Most Asian countries, they now we all democratize together. That means then democratic transition. We all then 1970, we the early 80s. But what thing they do? They say, you know what? Democracy not true. Democracy not fine thing. Right now, where America don't become the only super world power, what do you do first? They say any country we know say democracy, we know they do happy. And you know, say Becca has no choice, so all the girl from go that way. But the Asians, then China, then Thailand, then Singapore, then say, you know what, in Japan, then take them, so part of their culture, they mix up. Where they promote national unity. Then they ask them, say this democracy where they don't bring out, they say, oh, they say, if we go, they don't go better way. Now the scholars they say, this country was divided so. When I not unite, we not think as one person. Better money not day. We are not even get national question. What's in this national question? Like all the Australians will get one single question, what will all the work towards for answer. Like when they don't, why would they talk about now free primary quality education, like the expensive tape, we all take it as a national question. I mean a national issue. We work towards as such a way they succeed. The one way they don't initiate it, they don't succeed, say who's had in the left hand, believe me, they will have progress. So all that thing and then they happen. So the cultural aspect they help the Kenyans. Then still then I'm sorry, the Chinese, the Japanese, then still the Russians, they still get that then communist idea. Where we say all man for better. Although they're not able for attain that level, the voting communism say, but today you can find out say inside China everybody able to do. A vast majority of the people they able for the do. Because they in one city where they say that 29 million people there, and 95% of those people are housed by the state. Now one city, 29 million. The man just give me a rough estimate. The professor where they address with, he said 95% of them are housed by the state. So you find out say that in culture still. But again, I will turn the question to una. So we don't keep the all culture. And culture na a sense of unity. Even when they try to define a nation state, culture na one of the things. We get culture where they bring we come together. So my brother, when you ask that question, we go for ask yourself. I know they say yes, people now they just can use them blindly. All cultural practices are satanic and all of this, fine. But there are social aspects of it. There are issues that way they push nationals. Let Kofi Annan, former UN Secretary General, was a chief. Where they get profound respect for inside Ghana. The Nigerians still get something where they bring it together. But Sierra Leone, we have been getting a lot of things where they bring it together. That's not even with national. Because there is a cultural dimension to democracy. So my brother, your question quite correct. We get for really get rid of them culture, then we will feel say you know good for the country. But there are certain culture where they bring it together. Me not have been culture, then there's something we go na the focus group discussion will make that. So your question really there in place. There is a cultural dimension, and we don't destroy all with culture. Then somebody else been asked also if where would they talk about democracy with decentralization business. Where you say they centralize, where you say we will not go for decentralized. That means everything just in at the big towns. The question where perhaps we will ask in that area is not how. Why is it the case? Because I will deal with the problem. If you explain them how they slap you, how they knock you, how they drag you, you will go the back. But when you begin, when you ask, you say, why make they slap me? You say, oh, now that chocolate, that chocolate, I made a man can slap you. So when you reach the public, they set him out. So the question for the ask, not to the how, not the why. Not the why. That population will tell you, not to be you, not to even second city, if you put a Guinea and Liberia population all together, it pass with. No, so. Why they able to take care of themselves? Why they able to live as one country? To the extent that they give it, now then they give all over the world. So now then question they have for the ask. But coming to your question specifically, when you say they decentralize, now two things they from decentralization. We always not to now the council aspect, no always some people they pay attention to, but now the economic decentralization. When you say the Freetown municipality, for instance, will take over health, if will take over schools, you forget money for to Freetown, or for interfere with outside Freetown municipal, outside Freetown City Council they eat. But when the Bible, the picking they say, always find stranger account at that was the mommy or the party picking they all they go left that stranger. And if the black for left some things for the family, we know that they give. But who's you party goes to the when I go left for now, then give them dollar now, then give them anything you know and we get for be very realistic and we get for face that challenge. As it is now, the central government will suppose for push things then go to the devolved institutions then not so decentralization that may have been seen initially as say democracy is a very expensive something because if you see you get for left everything at Bull City Council, Kenema City Council and Freetown City Council, you also get for giving the money. So they will get the same donor. Now they can put that parade. Papa they go big the same side, Mama said they go big and put all the big brother, they all the go big. Problem they arise. So if we can't get to economy boom, things then will fine. Things then will fine. So decentralization, that question we ask, democracy will succeed. This is a challenge. Democracy is a challenge. Why make I talk about them other democracies, then Germany, then France, they don't depend on 200 years. The institutions that they're all strong. We say we will get there, they make effort. Not to say everything bad, but we will not therefore be complacent. Because the world is so dynamic. 20 years ago, mobile phone not being there, but the demands on Sierra Leone as a country and by extension the government, people who they in decision making, is very, very, very serious. So you will find out say democracy not to change it's not latent, it they grow. One thing that we know show about human rights on the chain. Now the people that even they talk about human security, allow Mr. Kylie. Now, see human security they talk about. Health security, environmental security. So security, that narrow perspective will be different. Why is when they still talk about human rights, they don't even pass that stage there. So now under such circumstances, we'll go for decentralized. But again, perhaps the question we'll ask you is, what we don't see decentralized and still the decentralization not the work fine? And what will not be for don't decentralize it at all? What will be for me? I feel say a better we will get an institution where will grow over time than we not get an at all. That means we don't cut a lot of people because security implications. Before the war, a lot of communities and societies in this country, particularly the ones that were then at the border, then be almost the things they don't to part of Sierra Leone. So that emotional attachment to the country not be there. So the thing we can take them delays them beyond it. So my brother, you have a very good question, but a question we all for answer. What you go able for do? How many of we don't really go back to the city council say I can't pay my house tax? Or I can't pay that my city rates. That is standing up. You know just the way you work is the whether you paint yourself green, white, and blue, that's not the issue. How do they support institutions? How many of we they pay tax? How many of we they really go to shop, you make sure see this item where I don't buy require the how do they call it? GST. That GST you receive there for make sure see you send out the country whether the account is supposed for it. How many of us are doing that? Because the only way government will get money enough now that time they can even them. But that 102 room where the bar don't be or 4 rooms where you get whether rent now is that buy not get. When the buyer will forget 4-5 hours, they give me say that means the in charge. So when government self get, I mean the central government, where they get money to extend that then we go for service other areas and comfortably. I know they make case for them because to that make a deal. That end now they will fund they're not go one for no whether they do this and that. But I think say the decentralization is a democratic initiative. We also the help. People them so happy now them place them. So man they work, I got one me party where na me age group where I call by name, say pass me call and cancel. And the other councillor will be near and he almost want first me. You don't even know the relationship. You know whether they talk to us, say no, so no who I talk to. They say well we had to call the man so. But what's in the lesson where our democracy is growing, the people are happy. You know, for the mere fact that they participate in governance, inside they gladly. I said the man won't slap me because I will not call and cancel. And once we get people of that nature, then they feel say then say get a stake in society. First no they can. So the centralization where you say if they push democracy, they push it. They push it. It depends on which yardstick we use. Unity. National unity. Peace and stability. Now are the major prerequisite for constructive nation building. The money we they use for clear city, the rob on a city hall. Believe me, if Boku pass it, it pass the one where they take beer. So now then people. Then somebody also been get for us voting at the difference between then first time democracy and today's democracy and then stuff them years. My brother, olden days they've been there. It depends on what you mean by olden days. Democracy is they grow. Why is when they talk about democracy now? Many countries like US, then England, then now they go with fiarism. Because they don't take and say democracy still get deficiencies. But democracy, like I've been started, I say they don't they all along. They don't grow over time. Because as society they change, learning don't they take place, technological advancement. The one that if you come on now, the one that we in this 2 years ago, when they don't come on now 2 years, they don't come out, then they America or then they Ghana or then they Liberia, they come out, they are different people. Because they don't find themselves in a new environment, they will then demands then they great. So not to foresee really democracy, difference not between old and new per se, but what it will happen, new demands then don't come, and then demands and then a history they come with that. They will bring a lot of new demands then on we as Sierra Leoneans. Many Sierra Leoneans not being too conscious about dollar or pound sterling, but 11 years of a very close to 20,000 peacekeepers, the dollar they come in, 30 they down, they all don't bring demands and the like. So now that no more than this, not the thing. But what I can say, my brother, it's not about whether democracy is old or new. It is about us rising up to the challenge. Before I drop the mic, I still insist that democracy is expensive. And what I say expensive, not only in terms of money, in terms of even human resources. In terms of even human resources.
That last outside end so then we submit the book, then call them the political economy. If you fix everything from that angle, everything will be alright. Because somebody will tell you say politics are concentrated economics. If you settle the money side, the politics side, everything will fall into place. Let's take it to Dr. Silva. Now, we want to turn the mic over to Una. We don't hear the experts. They don't respond to some questions there. But waiting we think but with democracy. We all are Sierra Leoneans. Not just what they will study book. We don't scatter this thing up to that level there. Not to know more inside democracy now we all. Now, you know, because we operate within the context of a time frame, we're not going for say everything. And we're not going for even probably do it systematically. But 3 questions a day. Where are the race at one go? As we come in, I go advise say every speaker may take 1 minute for making your contribution, for make time go they make it go round. Number 1, make we listen fine. Who say we dey now with democracy? And waiting are the challenges that we will face and how we go solve them challenge them day. Those are the 3 issues. Make I say that again. Number 1, who say we dey now with democracy? And number 2, waiting at the problem or challenge that will face of democracy. And number 3, how we go deal with them challenges and day. Now the issue that is for today inside this focus group discussion. You are a Sierra Leonean, we're all Sierra Leoneans. We get sick in this thing. Waiting, we go say. Make we try for just operate within the 1 minute framework so that we get more people for contribute. Yes, I see. Please announce your name and institution.
The face of democracy elect the now the rule of law within our country, we not get respect for us as people at all. The laws that we for make for let the system they work, we not get respect for. Of course, the time when is so short, but when I'm born in a village, now when I'm back, you understand, we get people the way they be compared by law, we don't even get responsibility. They announce say, "I go brush the road." They can't they don't die electricity when you go on the other side of it. When I open my office in Kailang, and now 2009, I see where people they be in number because the human rights organization they can't lay complaint on property rights. Where when they deal with them matter, they will not they ask nothing. The chief then come, they say, "We want pool brain or not." You understand? So how we implement the law and how we for respect her? That are one of the big problems.
See, first of all, the first question, who's are we dey? I want to say the country right now, we get wide-ranging disparity. What does this mean? The one that we get money, we the one that we put a big bridge there between them. We dey see even per house. Some people dey na per body, some man dey na skyscraper, some man dey where they eat good, some man dey na garri and sugar they eat. So that kind of disparity, it dey now in the country. But like our speakers they don't talk, we can't keep poor. If we don't manage the country in resources, for let we the poor one day, the one day we get money, they all feel say Saluna we all get a problem. So come to the next question. Waiting na the thing where we for do. We for manage we economy. And some of them strategy they will feel say the government they take for tightening the economy. For let like how the professor said just now, the doc said just now. For tightening inside the way the money be the leak, that is a good thing. And we feel say it will fine for the country. And if we want to build a good country, that it will make we all feel say we belong to a country and we all go honor and we all go believe say that one salon day and we will get a cohesive and united country.
Like the doctor be the say, democracy is not the way it began. If we did take America for be the fathers of the democracy, and the democracy don't hold up to 220 years, because since 1776, when they get independence, and they introduce them, we agree with the fact say Salon too young, but we still try. Quickly, we don't do about 3 political transitions where power is changing from the 2 major political parties. Power is changing from SLP go to APC, from APC go back. But what did that affect we as a nation? Now when we did narrow we mindset in the interpretation of democracy. Democracy is not just human right, human right, human right. We will look at democracy again as the transparency, accountability, and the rule of law, like the brother was saying. But if we not change our mindset, like when we say accountability, we want less some people that explain how you use this money. Somebody else call them witch hunt. We want like we almost delegate you care about. Somebody can keep meetings and say yes, now we're 23 go, now with this. I think we don't just try, we try.
I want to thank Doc for a brilliant presentation we give to me based on how the one for where we go. But we all go realize that we 50-50, we did a lot in terms of democracy, not alone. And we go appeal through this forum at Gladway, na live broadcast, that what we talk for say now the democracy believe in political freedom and equality. Yes. But in a sense that when the institution then they make allow, as Dr. may say, for allow to strengthen the institution here and allow democracy for it. We all know what happened to Mayo, a winner woman. And what happen will not let it be again. And let we believe say democracy for them at work with the various ministries and the local government. Just a bit of the money business. I will not dilate on the issue, but make we try to sustain democracy and with various institutions there.
And I assure you, say this country, the young people of this country, know the ever let that five-year democracy go. The young people of this country really willing for every 5 years to get election. But the fact remains that now one grain side we see the democracy, they grow or they deepen. One grain side, that not just for greater aspect of elections every 5 years. The fact remains that if we talk about democratic system, the governance for able for diverge right down to the citizens and local community. Understand? That we can ask you the question about decentralization. The fact remains that when you take citizen participation, it not happen from what we practice democracy from the way we see from 96 to date. Because no one they see we cancel law or we parliamentarian in the canon of constituency, then they can get meetings with we.
Reverend, I would say democracy, we may not start in this country way back, just like how Dr. Bide say. We don't reach a point where the institutions way for push with democracy go before. I would say 90% of the institutions they don't already there. But the problem where we get is now how the institution here they push with democracy. Waiting obtain in practice is different from waiting the inside the book. We get so many laws in this country where they guide me, but the laws in the we either the flaws the laws in the or we don't even seek for that we use the laws in our country. That's the unbelievable democracy.
Once I say I call it master sheep. That if somebody takes on go inside, they just forget it. And it's happening in Sierra Leone. And he even mentioned he said that Regent Road map it. Thank God, the people who coordinate every security business in this country, it didn't answer. They agree. I don't say I see the take notes. I don't know if I they right, but I see the take notes. I don't say it's a concern about that.
I think just like we Dr. Silva did talk, if me they look at democracy, I will put them into two categories. Just two. I would like in to wait they talk about human security. Your freedom from fear and your freedom from want. Your physical fear. Yeah? Because if you deal within a state, you get right for vote, you get your right for associate freely, you get your freedom of association, you get your freedom of movement, we not for be restricted. That they live within democracy, and they live with a sense of freedom from fear. Not so? Yeah. You're not afraid say if you get money now you post, somebody will come, armed robber, they will come attack you. Not so? That society responsibility, now make with a delicate responsibility to elected officials. But look at just what happened in Gambia. We don't just do election. We just do election. no the by-election wey take place na Gambia, we still dey 5 years away. This high level of political intolerance, we still dey see am across the political divide. This high level of interference with the professionalism of state institutions wey suppose for remain professional and accountable, democratic and oversight institutions, whose like dey see blatant politics dey involve into the day-to-day administration activities, it becomes worrisome. Are we consolidating our democracy? When they talk about democracy again, you get to talk about existential issues, bread and butter issues. Huh? How many of the population has alone get access to economic opportunities? We say up to 70% of the population they live below $1 a day. They live far below the poverty line. We say people don't get access to justice. Now only about 30% of the population get access to formal justice. How you able to consolidate democracy? We say get high politics of exclusion. At the end of the day, we don't get this syndrome saying now winner takes it all. Like me people they feel say politics that do or die. So man feel say, hey, but me go sit down and bench 5-10 years. Once not to a party, you just feel say you don't go benefit. So what was about Sierra Leoneans and now we're not a party, but they are citizens. But they are citizens. Instead of we talk about national cohesion, now ethnic divide, we they just entrench ethnicity, we they entrench regionalism. So where are we heading for? Where Silva will ask whether we consolidate with democracy. To be honest with you, the way that we will go as a country, almost all of the issues that will precipitate the civil war in the first place, we still experience the issues that they. What are the issues that will precipitate the civil war? The politics of exclusion, corruption, greed, nepotism, centralization of state authority, marginalization of youths and women, criminality, running a kleptocratic state, unaccountability. We still see them things and they. And social scientists they not postulate say countries that work don't come out of conflicts. Conflicts, where most times when are over governance issues or resource issues, the tendency for let them relapse into conflict after 20 years if those grievances are not addressed. A great. So it seems as if we have not learned our lessons as a country and as a people. And I think it's high time we all get a responsibility towards the state of Sierra Leone. Because there is social contract they give, there is social contract between the governors and the governed. Not also? Now you vote. They make you politicians, he or she should be accountable to you. I think it's high time for let Sierra Leone begin take with destiny in our hand now. We have been complacent for too long. Whether it's party A, party Y, party X, that is your business. But the state of Sierra Leone should be governed according to the democratic tenets and principles. And the subsumed democracy, just like how they subsumed the 10 commandments, inside 2 commandments and the Bible. We say, thou shalt not kill. I love your neighbor as yourself. If I love my neighbor, I don't go coveting property. If I love her, I don't kill her. So now the same thing. Freedom from fear and freedom from want. If I don't delegate my authority to you, I expect say you for take care of my socio-economic needs. Not also. I expect say I for live free from fear within society. And I responsibility because I don't delegate that responsibility to you. That responsibility for make provision for me. So I don't know not to any God-given country we cost naturally, we say no get no resource. The resources you get, those resources are judiciously utilized. To be very honest with you, so I don't will be a safe haven for all. Just within this short time, with a few fiscal disciplines we government they try for put in place. Not also, we they see some of the changes where they happen. We only hope so we continue down this line. But it's time for law to begin hold we electors accountable to we. We for wholly accountable to we. Even me within at the security sector, if we are not professional, we should be held accountable to you people. Responsibility now for protect lives and property, not for destroy lives and property. Not so. So, but where is the confidence gap between the governors and the governed? That in itself is a recipe for insecurity. There will not want that kind of situation. So I think we all with destiny in our hands. A lot won't take the challenge as Sierra Leoneans.
And that's how we go able for push the democracy go before. When we choose for face the issues them and decide say we go address them as Sierra Leoneans. Well, we don't talk talk. Now I want to give Dr. Silva last few minutes before we take a vote of thanks, make a wrap up for we in terms of how we see all of the issues then and how we're going for take democracy forward beyond this point. Yes, I over to you, sir.
Various speakers, I think we all don't tend for the agree on one point. That is to say, we all get a responsibility. Some of the time we say they subscribe to some of these things, then we sell. Unless and until we get to that point, where we will tell you brother, we will tell you mama sister or your papa, or whoever, whatever relationship they with you, you can not be, you get to be assertive. But many of the time, some of we not assertive, not aggressive, we aggressive. Because you know, minister, that's not aggression. We get for tell and say, this is not good in the best, this is not in the best interest of our country. Lord, we didn't see them. Just like we brought up, he say something, we brought up from political affairs, where he say the judges them because they get their appointments from head of state, I think some levels, now that means from government. But it is the same almost everywhere. The Chief Justice for the Federal Supreme Court in America now the president is one of the states. Well, now we attitude that we get for change towards the country. Just like when we brought, now we attitude for change before we our country, so that if many of we get some of we get 2-3 houses, you are sure of those houses because the state is in control. I repeat, we're proud of what we don't achieve with money, with education, with everything because the state is in control. Now when the state lost control over the state, where I say the state apparatus, where lost control over this country with the impost review. Of blessed memory, President Kabana be the first one we don't do. So we sit on here because the state is in control. And for many the states they in control, some of them think they are way I'm going to talk about from the security angle very, very important. We therefore securitize with democracy. They will therefore also democratize with security. For me, security become vibrant in any society, you need money. And democracy, they make money. Because I just the rule, just like we mentioned, just because they don't close down, even from the NPPA, this National Procurement Authority, they don't come. They don't score 100%, but it is better than yesterday. Yes. We don't, at least most portfolio suppliers, they don't close down. So the bottom line here is, the last words, let me avoid this blame game. You know, the solve matter. Let me address the issues. And possibly, not say we don't go participate, I'll be one for ask questions, and not go even ask and become a party not in power. Whether I like it or not, party will always be in power. Until we get to that point, whether a party B, party C, party F, once me know say they do me, nobody will ask me an apology. So on that note, I thank you so much, and I want to say thank you to NCD. At least you don't make me say don't learn the law, because then questions they already been asked. If the economy is small, me say don't learn. Thank you.
We all don't express waiting that will concerns them, and how we feel say with democracy go before. We, of course, they appeal to we all. Salon, now we all own. And it means that we all get something for do for me Salon go before. And for now, as far as this went concerned, I believe say, even beyond this generation, democracy will be the thing we go there in fashion. May we work hard for what it mean, and now we say we contribute for make it go before. Well, me we don't moderate this program up to this point. Of course, initially, I announced my name, Reverend Jibril Akagbon. I'm the head of communication and public relations and National Commission for Democracy. Who saw don't reach so? Of course, we did send out evaluation forms. Make yourself evaluate what's in the happen ayaso. Because we expect you for get such kind of forum regularly. But by how this one go, then go determine what's going to happen next. Well, we don't say plenty things. Somebody they will get the responsibility for tell thank you. We were the inside and we were in a radio land. For we attention we'll pay to everything and we contribution we'll make. I want to hand you over to the commissioner in the Western region. In name na Commissioner Benjamin McFoy for the vote of thanks.
Before I go to the vote of thanks, I go want to follow clap for yourself. Now all go agree with me this afternoon, say we get frank discussion. Not so. No, so?
Yes.
And if we go back to the theme for this International Democracy Day, waiting at the theme, democracy under strain. Even though various speakers don't give good contributions, say yes, with democracy, it don't thrive to the level where we did. One of the speakers say, we own democracy, in feel say, it's fragile, not so. So all them take them, they very good. And for the National Commission for Democracy, we get the mandate for make sure say we get what they call citizenship education as a commission. We not go allow a day like this or a day like a 15th September for pass by without bringing everybody together for let we brainstorm the way forward for with democracy. I want to take this opportunity where I get this afternoon for thank everybody where they are this afternoon. I want to begin with my lecturer, where I made do my first degree, a lecture me international relations. And waiting I see today reminds me when I'm in classroom, say, na frank speaker. And I want for drawing a memory where he can always tell we say, oh, late for in class. He say, I don't care if you're late for my class. He say, I want una all for there on time because when we don't cancel, nobody in the cancel. He say, I don't care if you take Okada for reach up for the college or you take limousine for each year, but I want you guys to be on time. I want to remind you, sir.
I'm reminded. I don't live.
On behalf of the chairman, colleagues, commissioners, members of the commission, I want to say thank you for where you bring the frankness where you always don't exhibit in a classroom to the nation. And as Sierra Leoneans they listen with, now so we want with democracy today. We want them for lay whenever we meet na them for here, for let we speak frankly. Thank you very much, sir. I want to tell the audience thank you. Because if you not for una, the specialist, consultant, not for able to bring this message we bring come to we, but with democracy. And I gladly the participation, wanna participate for this program this afternoon. We are all able to bring come the frank discussions, but with democracy. And everybody now go agree with we say yes, indeed, with democracy they understand. But we don't really try as a nation. So I want to say thank you. And I also want to tell 98.1 Tenki Radio Land, where now through that frequency they own at the EU from the 8th floor EU building, Ministry of Information. If you note for them, we are not for the EU, for that we discuss this theme who will commemorate of the 15th September 2018 when at the International Day of Democracy. Of course, I not will do justice to this vote of thanks if I not take note of my team from the National Commission for Democracy. Yes, indeed, for let you put a program together now, it's not easy, but we always stay on tax for make sure say we able to galvanize we say for let we did here today like how we so. Gentlemen and ladies, thank you very much. Of course, my big brother from the ONS, special thank you. And I want to say thank you to everybody. Me, we give a vote of thanks. being the interim McFloy Commissioner for the Western Region. Thank you very much.